Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at Tesla stock, and also today I'll be taking you over Rivian, Lucid and Ford Motors. Now with Lucid, there's very interesting moves happening. I'll take you over some really interesting data on the short volume side. Is that potentially a short squeeze on Lucid happening? If I could really quickly show you the chart, we'll talk about this as well in this video. So let's start off with Tesla and what is the price action telling us, right? So here we are with Tesla that we are still above the 20 days moving average. Somehow we are still holding the structure, and if you need access to my tools as well, guys, links are in the description below of this video. Somehow we are still holding a bullish structure, but the weakness is coming for sure. We haven't really confirmed that break of the structure to the downside though, but trying to stay above 20 days moving average, right? The only level I would say, and it's disappointing that Tesla one day did a green candle and then suddenly fell off, but we kind of saw it coming as well, because if I turn on my structural indicator with the the cloud as well, you can see Tesla's cloud, once it turned red, that's then just a retest that happened, right? And then we just plummeted lower. Things were already turning red, into that. So that was already a problem going in today, right? And when the market just opened, so there was a problem since we just stayed below and broke the cloud again to the downside, right? We never got out and above again on this thing, right? So that was, the early telltale sign. But what is the level to watch from here, right? So taking a look from the hourly interval perspective, if we want to again gain back a bullish momentum, definitely we want to get above $214.72. That's what will bring some upside again. But at the same time, once we get above 214.68, I wanted to see it above at least 20 hours moving average for the continuation to the upside. But if tomorrow we can get above this level, 214.72, then some upside is possible. Otherwise, unfortunately, if we break 200 hours moving average tomorrow and that 20 days moving average all together, then unfortunately intraday we are watching levels down like 208, and then maybe possibly testing 200 days moving average as well. But yeah, so it's important that Tesla stay above 220 days moving average as a bull, and then get above this area of almost just 215 or 200, and to be precise, like it's at 214.66, right? So the very same level that you see here as well, right? So on the hourly interval as well. So that's pretty much with Tesla here, guys. Okay. And now again, it all comes down to levels, right? My sentiments as well. But just seeing again, sorry, let's go back to the 1 hour interval. And just due to this, rejecting under the cloud and staying bearish, today it's no surprise, but let's see if tomorrow's strength may come, but we'll have to see. All right, but that's your Tesla. All right, there's nothing else to talk about here, guys. As I said, technically we are still in the bullish structure, but if we fall much more lower, the confirmation would start coming in for the bearish structure. So, and yeah, more bullishness is only above this 214.77 from where the price is right now. Okay, so let's go to now. Oh, sorry, not that one. This one. Let's go to now Rivian. Let's talk about that. So Rivian is in a very good price action from where it is right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on again the structural indicator. We just turned from this bear. Look, this is where the price action broke. And we have been, once the things on my structural indicator, get my tools, guys, it helps a lot in referencing and identifying what is the structure telling us, right? And once we broke this area, red came and we just continued to sell off. Now, what I'm just seeing is that we are having a good breakout of the structure with a good green positive candle, and today is a continuation of that to the upside. This I used to cover Rivian back a couple of months ago, and I'm going to start covering other EVs as well with Tesla soon. So today I'm just talking about it again, right? So this is the next zone though. It's an important red zone because of the previous supply zones here. And so then definitely keep an eye on this red zone, but structure is looking bullish right now as long as we stay above this level of $13.66, because that's a breakout zone for the structure to change. we will remain bullish as long as we stay above $13.65 from where we are. And let's see if this time we finally get out of this red supply zone box as well. So it's looking not bad though. We are looking good on Rivian. We are above 220 days moving average, but again, structure is telling me bullish. It has done a breakout lately, and things may start to look back again to the upside as long as we stay above this level of $13.65. So that's Rivian. Now Lucid. So I'm gonna, why I'm turning off first. Oh, again, wrong one. Why am I turning off my this indicator that tells you the structure for day trading, swing trading, is because so that when I go to a new stock, you can first see what is the stock in itself doing, and then when I apply my structural indicator, that helps in identifying what are the moves, right? So talking about Lucid, now I do have to adjust something before even turning the structural indicator here, is the timeline here on this thing. And let's actually move it back here, right? So that I can see some more levels show up. Let me actually see if I think that's fine. All right. So what Lucid, so here's the thing, Lucid is doing this abnormal squeeze, right? Like this thing is trying to go up. Now, the thing is that also we have changed the structure on this. If I show you this, it has been green lately, right? This is where the breakout happened, and we have been then going up and up from there. Right now, testing this little bit of a previous high, right? The thing is that with Lucid, here's what I want to show you, and you can see this data on FinViz as well for yourself. Short float on Lucid is 29.33%. So it's pretty much what? It's 30% almost, which is very high. And so this may very likely possibly be also a sign of a short squeeze happening here, right? Now, definitely this momentum is coming. If it can take out this level as of $4.32, then the next level is definitely, we are watching $4.97, pretty much the $5. And I would say the next, yeah, these are the new next strong than the resistance zone. But let's see if Lucid can do it, if it can go up there. But technically it's in the bullish structure. It's a little bit late already from the move. If you were watching Lucid and you had my tool, this that shows you the structure, you already knew over here, right? You also knew back over here when structures try to give even this move, right? So, and you can also set alerts on this tool that when the structure is changing to a different structure, all that settings can be done on the alert of this tool as well. Now, so that you can just set it on its stock, and then whenever alert comes, you can come and watch, okay, what happened? Did the structure change, right? So things like that. Now, yeah, so let's see if we slow down here or can continue up from here, but then the bottom line area you are watching is $3.61. If we can stay above it, sure, things can still look beautiful, but sure, that's quite a pullback then. But let's see if we can take out this time without doing much more pullback straight away, like $4.31, that will be awesome. So let's see if we can do that. Then yeah, we are getting then $5.30 range is what we are targeting then on Lucid. All right, so I'm gonna give Ford today a short here. When I say a short here, I mean I'm gonna cover it, but I haven't received any interest from any one of you if you like to cover, like to see Ford technical analysis. So I'll do 1 or 2 videos and see if you guys have interest in it. I don't personally hold anything. I just saw that it's showing an interesting structure, and so I thought, okay, let's cover this thing. But this is a very choppy stock. Don't expect, again, you can expect whatever you want, but this is a good price action. We found a bottom support. At least this thing can come back up to this level of $11.94. There's not much move you would expect, and then after that, sure, once we take out all these hanging tornadoes, pivots, I call them tornadoes, right? All these pivots, then you can expect again the range of upside, that is $14.85. And also if I put on my this indicator, you can see the structure on this already changed to bullish right over here. From this downtrend, this structure changed above $10.24, and we have been just bullish. And if at this point any pullback until this level of 20 days moving average or $10.82, it's just going to be a pullback in my opinion, nothing more than that. But anyways, that's something I just want to cover on Ford as well. But I'll see if interest is there, I'll keep covering it. Otherwise, yeah, I'll just cover like Rivian, Lucid, and Tesla. Definitely, that's the primary stock for the coverage. All right. Well, that's it for this video. And if you found it helpful, valuable, please hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next videos. Take care, guys. Bye.